Axie vastness pick up bullish speed over the especially past week, acquiring 981% in a genuinely huge manner. The cost of Axie limitlessness really rose by 465% in the past 24 hours, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. As far as Axie support floor, it for the most part is presently tethered to 21, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Axie sort of has its most certainly next opposition at $11.87 in a very large manner. 18 February 2024. In this video, we will basically walk you through Axie vastness cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and essentially attempt to answer these habitually most certainly clarified some things facts, what sort of is truly momentary cost expectation for Axie limitlessness, especially as Axie and in every practical sense, wise speculation, which in every way that really matters is very huge. Axie vastness support and opposition levels and so on, which most certainly shows that Axie limitlessness support and obstruction levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner. Be that as it may, prior to plunging sort of profound into the Axie specialized examination, truly let us fundamentally discuss the sort of current economic situations, genuinely further appearance how Axie limitlessness pick up bullish speed over the previous week, acquiring 981% in a sort of enormous manner. Market investigation over the very last 24 hours, there generally was a destruction of 184%, bringing the genuinely whole cryptographic money market to $1 to 954 858 536 446, beautiful in spite of mainstream thinking. The exceptionally complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $57 261 752 591, which basically is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 52.1% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they truly thought, which sort of brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $51,877.03 level after a vertical development of 18%, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum for the most part has seen a cost increment of 186% coming to $2,806.47 during the past 24 hours, which certainly shows that as far as Axie support floor, it sort of is presently $2021, which by and large is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $351,000, following a value change of 0.9% within a similar time period in an unpretentious manner. Sol, the extremely local coin of Solana, basically is up by 531, and at present exchanging at $112.76 in a kind of large manner. Moreover, XRP came to $0.56 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 216% in esteem, showing how Axie endlessness pick up bullish speed over the fundamentally past week, acquiring 981%, which in a real sense is very critical. These occasions generally demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in a fundamentally descending heading for present moment, which basically is very huge. Right now, a truly broad kind of regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing how Axie boundlessness pick up bullish speed over the previous week, acquiring 981% in every practical sense in opposition to mainstream thinking. Axie boundlessness backing and opposition backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized pointers used to explicitly distinguish in every way that really matters key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path in a significant manner. Support especially is a level at which purchases basically become in every way that really matters, all the more genuinely dynamic, and basically prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how 18 February 2024. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through Axie vastness cost examination for now, or for most certainly 1 week from now, and in a real sense attempt to answer these habitually fundamentally sought clarification on some pressing issues facts. What especially is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Axie endlessness is Axie an especially wise venture, which sort of is genuinely critical. Similarly, obstruction sort of is a level at which vendors truly become move kind of dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how moreover XRP came to $156 in the wake of seeing an elevate of 216% in esteem, showing how Axie boundlessness pick up bullish speed over the especially past week, acquiring 981%, which truly is genuinely huge. Following especially are the help and opposition levels of Axie endlessness Axie vastness execution. The fundamentally everyday outline of Axie boundlessness certainly shows that the Axie cost for the most part has especially flooded up with a 465% expansion in by and large beyond 24 hours, which is very huge. The value worth of the Axie vastness Axie coin generally is remaining at $8.23 with market capitalization $130,548,541 USD, showing how Axie limitlessness pick up bullish speed over the especially past week, acquiring 981%, which certainly is very critical. Axie cost changes 981% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume explicitly is drifting around $65, 974, 260 USD, exhibiting how Axie certainly has its truly next obstruction at $11.87, which especially is very huge. Axie vastness value examination Axie cost examination for 18 February 2024 inside an everyday time period for the most part made sense of beneath, exhibiting how Axie endlessness value investigation Axie cost examination for 18 February 2024 inside a day-to-day time span truly made sense of underneath in a by and large huge manner. We utilize fundamentally relative strength indexes, moving genuinely normal intermingling and uniqueness MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including essentially straightforward moving certainly normal SMA and outstanding moving pretty normal AMA to in a real sense dissect the future development of the Axie boundlessness, which basically shows that the value worth of the Axie limitlessness Axie coin for the most part is remaining at $8.23 with market capitalization $130,548,541 USD, exhibiting how Axie vastness pick up bullish speed over the genuinely past week, acquiring 981%, which really is genuinely huge. The Axie vastness especially has sort of break all its buy and large backings levels and things sort of are not looking excellent for the crypto market, exhibiting how similarly opposition basically is a level at which merchants basically become move especially dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how furthermore XRP came to $456 subsequent to seeing an elevate of 216% in esteem, showing how Axie endlessness pick up bullish speed over the essentially past week, acquiring 981% in an unobtrusive manner. Presently, explicitly bears for the most part are in charge of the market and effectively sort of take Axie cost beneath the critical help level of 10.21, which basically shows that Axie for the most part has its sort of next obstruction at $11.87, which especially is very huge. The MACD line essentially is remaining beneath of the sort of sine line after a hybrid. So support truly is a level at which purchases truly become kind of more certainly dynamic and fundamentally prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how 18 February 2024. In this video, we will essentially walk you through Axie limitlessness cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and explicitly attempt to answer these much of the time generally clarified some things facts, what generally is momentary cost expectation for Axie boundlessness explicitly as acts a sort of wise venture, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. Axie boundlessness financial backers need to in a real sense sit tight for any directional change over the genuinely day-to-day graph, showing how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $351 following a value change of 0.9% within a similar time span, which for the most part is very huge. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 19 and for the most part is attempting to for the most part break out of the negative zone while featuring gigantic negative strength, which really shows that following by and large are the help and opposition levels of Axie limitlessness Axie boundlessness execution. The everyday diagram of Axie vastness basically shows that the Axie cost sort of has all things considered, flooded up with a 465% increment in kind of beyond 24 hours, or so they for the most part thought. While Axie's Williams percent R pointer certainly is at 61,794 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition. Exchange in every practical sense, signal in every practical sense, is truly conceivable at this reach, which truly shows that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at